Pachipamwe, and welcome to the Beginner Shona series. I am so excited to bring this series to you because Shona is one of my passions and I want everyone to learn it. So if you're interested in learning Shona, this series is for you. What is special about this series is that all the lessons are short and concise. They're going to be 3 to 5 minutes long. We won't have in-depth grammar like in the introductory course or in the intermediate and advanced courses, but this will get you going. It's for all beginners who want to learn on the fly. Wherever you are, I'm sure you can get 3 to 5 minutes to learn some Shona every single day. This course is made to make sure that you progress quickly to speaking Shona. My job is to bring you a bite-sized lesson that you can digest, and your job is to listen, to take notes, to repeat after me, and to do the mini homework that will be there after each and every lesson. This is the only way that you're going to get better. In Shona we say, Dzokororo ine simba, as well as Gadziriso ine simba. And these both literally mean repetition and correction have strength, meaning that the more you practice and the more you actually do the work, then you will see the results. We hope to have 50 to 100 of these lessons, so you will never run out of material to learn. What are you waiting for? Go to the first lesson.